Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking on today's video. So for today, I am going to show you how I create this very glam holiday look. This makeup is very suitable for any special occasion that you're celebrating, or if you just want to get glam at home. For today's makeup, I am using the eyeshadows from the IMAGIC Cosmetics. This is the 36 color eyeshadow palette. This is the chalice one. Is that how you pronounce it? Chalice or chalice? Well, anyway, so I am using this is 36 eyeshadows, guys, and I am using the warm tone shades here. And honestly, I haven't used most of them. I just keep on swatching the shimmers, and I haven't used most of the matte colors. I am actually going to do a series of eye makeup tutorial using this eyeshadow palette. I already have a glam holiday look using this one too. That was the simple one, and I haven't touched this part yet since I'm not really into green, but don't worry, I am going to do a green makeup tutorial and also the blue ones and the purples. Yes, until we get bored of using this palette. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start this eye makeup tutorial. As always, I'm using my eyeshadow primer. I'm mixing the Glitter Fix Gel from IMAGIC and the Big Cover Liquid Concealer from Focallure. First, I'm taking the shade Joy and I'm applying that all over my crease. Next, I use the shade Tarot to soften up the edges. The next shade is Feeling, and I'm placing that to deepen the crease color, and I'm also creating a V shape on the outer part and bringing it half on the inner part. I'm mixing the shades Sensitive and Mature and patting that on the outer part and bringing it half on the inner part, and I'm also emphasizing the V shape, and I'm blending that above my actual folds. I went back to the shade Feeling and Sensitive and sweeping that all over my lower lash line. This is very optional, but I use a black eye pencil on my waterline just to darken up the look, and I'm smudging that with a flat brush. Next, I used the glitter fix gel on my inner corner and I took the shade Veil. This is a shimmery, rusty shade and I'm placing that on the inner corners. This brings the look together. So now I'm just cleaning my face with wet wipes, and surprisingly this palette does not have any fallouts, so I'm just gonna finish the rest of my face off cam.